Is it blinking?
It's blinking. Ow!
Yes, right.
Damn it!
First thing. First thing.
Turkey tap.
Ah. Square in the dick. Ow. No, we need, the next thing we need to do is when that kid comes to this place, we need him to us.
With this from the rocket.
That dude will scream.
He already screamed.
You can shoot her, can I?
Let me just try this out real quick. I'll tell you what. Hey, that'll be a good video. Yep. Shooting a smoke grenade and a rocket launcher. See what happens. Question mark. See, like, I'm gonna make sure this thing's gonna be pressure up.
Kid.
Oh, that comes out.
Wait, is it the right size or is it too small to get enough pressure?
It's smaller than that. That's why I'm putting this in there, so I have more.
Yeah. This will be awesome. We need some way to launch smoke grenades. And why don't you get something lighter in there than the towel?
Wait, what did you say?
Why don't you put some lighter in there than the towel? I got a bandana. Thought it worked better.
It might burn your bandana a little bit.
That's good. I got way too many.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna win.
Back it. Going in there. Alright. Drop that in there. Wait, don't jump in there yet. So, Nick, is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, just really don't shoot the net. Like, shoot
above.
Have to shoot way over the net.
Alright.
So, you're gonna pull that. Like, you're gonna pull it up for 5 seconds, close it, and then when you're ready to fire, just release that valve.
Alright. Can you put it in whenever you...
Yeah.
Ready? Alright, let me do this.
2. And close that. Alright. Yeah. Alright. There you go. Smoke out! Gone! Isn't that fun?
That is awesome. During a match.
We shot one way further somehow the other day.
Oh, it's perfectly fine too.
During the Airsoft match. That would have been very useful.
Man, I want to make one of these for my house.
We pale Indian shooter.
Just to mess around with.
No, put one with a smaller barrel, put like a ball bearing in it.
You do a lot of things. Man.
Wait, catch it.
LZ! LZ, Randy, LZ!
No. Alright, hot potato with the smoke.
Hot potato. Hey, who wants to be shot with some water out of this thing?
Sure.
Oh,
Hey,
he's
that's
out.
gonna burn
Okay.
you out. If you're not careful.
Yeah, you
That's why it's hot potato.
Oh, he's out.
Alright.
That thing can catch on fire, I'm serious.
Yeah, stop.
Yeah, it's kind of hot.
Last time we launched one, it flew in the air and caught on fire in the air, and then it hit the ground and went out.
That's
where your money went. One time somebody threw...
Wait, Nick, go on the other side of the smoke.
Somebody
Go
threw
on
one
the
of
other
these
side
in the woods and it landed in a burn pile that we had, and it caught fire like this big. I had to go stomp it out.
Badass moment. Yeah, alright, you can take up the recording.
Alright.